Another day of cloudy skies, but it's largely dry and the outlook remains settled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 8th of October.
In a rut, and it is grey and cloudy, but yesterday I showed you a really cool picture of what it looks like above the clouds, finally seeing the sunshine, and I have another one. This was taken, if you are above a mountain, at the top of a mountain today, then you will see beautiful sunshine finally. And here's a little bit of science as to why. First of all, this was the high-resolution satellite picture from yesterday. This area here, here and here is where the mountains were poking above the clouds, the only places to see sunshine yesterday. And it's down to the fact that we still have a big area of high pressure blocking our weather systems. And high pressure is basically air pushing down. It pushes the clouds way down. There's a temperature inversion. So for us, we just see the grey leaden skies beneath. But if you're on top of the mountain today, you will finally see that sunshine. Good morning. I basically did that because there's just one way of saying cloudy, and my weather forecast will be very short. But there's a lot of cloud around today. There'll be some sunshine, and it depends if you get to be to the lee of the high grounds where we get some breaks developing. Chiefly, western areas will have the best chance of seeing sunshine today because the winds are gently coming from the east. So western areas of west. Well, I know if it was Wednesday, October the 8th, in 2 days' time, it would be my birthday.
OK.
Oh, you can have your birthday. You were the one who changed all the audio.
Good morning to you. Yet again, it is a day of very cloudy skies, and it is still down to a big area of high pressure. It blocks any approaching weather fronts. Areas of cloud just go round and round. But signs of change coming. Here behind me, a low pressure moves in later on this weekend. But for today, it is what we've been used to. There's some sunshine too. But let's take a look at our 7-day outlook. Like I said, it's been fine, it's been settled, it's been very cloudy, but change is coming. For those saying, when does it change? It's this weekend. First off, looking at our temperatures across the north of the UK compared to where they should be, a little below average. Percentage chance of rainfall, it remains low with our cloudy, grey, leaden skies. But change comes on Sunday as we see weather fronts battle back from the Atlantic, bringing cloud, wind and rain. It looks unsettled as we head into the start of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, sitting around about a little below average, so disappointingly cool, especially with the fact that there's not very much sunshine around, and percentage chance of rainfall, and it's mimicked in the symbols as well. It is cloudy, largely dry for the rest of the week, but it is Sunday onwards where we see low pressures arrive and turning back to wet and windy. Good morning to you. The cloudy skies continue. It is grey, leaden out there, some sunshine around with some shelter. But yet again, under the cloud without the sunshine, it's disappointingly cool because the cloud layer is very thick. Now, the winds continue to feed in gently from this easterly direction, and that means it's western areas that will have the cloud. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain. Good morning to you. We could pretty much play out the weather from the last few days on repeat. It is cloudy for most of us. There'll be some breaks in the cloud, and I guess that's where the nuances come with our forecast as we head through the next few days. At the moment, we've got a lot of cloud around, and it means it's a relatively mild start to the day. The winds are feeding in from this gentle easterly direction, which is a lot more simple. It is cloud, and there's a lot of it. And it's because high pressure stays with us. It acts like a force field. These areas of low pressure that are trying to move in, stay at bay, and we are just chasing around areas of cloud. There'll be some sunshine around today, but in limited supply, like we've seen over the last few. Cloudy skies greet us first thing on our satellite image. Now, the winds are east to northeasterly. That means they feed in along these eastern coasts, the thickest cloud, eastern and southern areas, and here thick enough for some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Central Scotland and sheltered western areas of Wales, the southwest of England, favour to see the best of any sunshine, as well as the tops of any mountains, and have temperatures here up to 16 or 17 degrees. But under the cloudy, grey, leaden skies, we're looking at 12 or 13 degrees at best.